Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making beans porridge. So you add the water. Now the beans has been washed. So you are going to add the beans in the boiled water. You are going to parboil it. Alright guys, so now that your beans are boiled, wash it. You are only parboiling it. So it's ready to wash. Wash the beans. Wash it well so that you will not have a heartburn whenever it's very raw. I usually have a heartburn, so I have to wash it very well. I'm going to put it back on the fire. Please add your chopped onions. You are going to enjoy it, but to give it a different taste. Onions, and add more water. Hey guys, let's check again and see. I have to let it cook again for like 3 minutes. So guys, our beans is already cooked, very soft, perfectly cooked. So we are going to bring this down and put aside. Then we'll make sauce. Pepper that are shaped, blended together. Don't need for this one, since I already have enough onions in the beans already. Don't need onions here. We don't need it here. Alright guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my comment. If there's anything you want to say to me or anything you want to add, please go ahead and say it in the comment section, and then please hit the notification button so that whenever I upload a video you will be notified. Thank you. Cook. There's different ways of making beans, different methods, but for me this is the method. This is the way I like making my own beans. Please go ahead and try it and see. You are going to enjoy it. I'm not going to allow your sauce to cook much, but since you already been parboiled, I will not let it cook for a long time. Go ahead and add your salt. Please know the quantity of salt you are going to add since it's beans. With beans I don't need more salt. We'll add our nor. About 2 cubes of nor. Mix it together. Then you go in with your washed meat. I've already washed the dry fish and I cook it already. Everything is soft. Please wash your dry fish. If you're adding fish in your beans, make sure you cook it separate before adding it in your stew. Or when you are cooking your beans, you can also cook it together. But I prefer this method. I wash it, I cook it separate without adding salt. Just cook your fish like that. Then you add in when you are making your sauce, or you add your fish when you are cooking the beans. I'm doing it this way. The fish has already been cooked. It needs maybe 2 or 3 minutes since everything here has been cooked. Try the method and tell me what you think. So our stew is ready. So we are going to take this up, put it aside, and we'll be back with our beans. Go ahead and pour in your sauce. And go ahead and mix it together. The best and easiest way to make beans porridge. And test your beans whenever you're making it so that you know if you have to add in salt or not. But please make sure you test it before adding salt, because of the nature of beans. Of adding more salt, the beans will become salty. So this is how we made our porridge beans. My husband is a lover of beans. This is how we make our porridge beans. We are going to let it cook for 2 minutes. Alright guys, our beans is ready to eat. You can take it with curry, you can take it with plantain, you can take it with bread, any of your choice. But for me, I want to eat it with curry. So thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video.